Hi guys, here's another one. I've got this Hotpoint washing machine that's reported as noisy, so I'm going to have a look at that today. Here's a machine here. Just give you a quick look around it. And inside here I'll just check the drum for play, which there isn't any. Yeah, that seems fine. Just get it a spin. I can hear like there's some bits in there, but the machine's not been used in a while, so what we're going to do is just put it on quick spin. It takes 10 minutes. The lights are flashing on here, but that's the camera. When the sunlight gets on it, they're actually solid. So I've started the spin program and just wait for it to get up to speed. And I mean, that sounds okay. So far so good. That's not excessive at all. So what I'm going to do is try it again with the wet load. And you can see I've got the machine loaded with the wet load there. Just got to wait for it to get up to speed. And you can hear there, it does sound a bit noisy. So just power it down. What I'm going to do next is just remove the top cover and the rear cover so I can see what's going on inside. As you can see there, it's vibrating quite a bit at full speed with the full load. You can see the suspension spring there, so like that in yellow. And then underneath here you got the dampers, one on the right there, one on the left here. That is quite excessive. More than likely the dampers are dry. So we'll have a look at that today. So I'll just pop the machine on its side, disconnect it from the mains, and then it's just a matter of undoing these two nuts for the shock absorbers, which are located at the bottom of the machine. There's the two nuts there. Just fast forward this section. They've got to be put back in exactly the same position, but you'll see an indent once you remove the nut when it comes to reassembly. And I've undone them both. Just a matter of removing this peg. Just tuck the tab down on the peg, which holds the top damper in place, and then this nylon peg should just come out, just slide out like so. And that's the shock absorber free. And then I've just got to do the other shock absorber, which I've released here. As you can see here, I've got them both off now. So what I'm going to do is I've pulled them apart. Just got to give inside here a clean where there's a nylon brush. Let's give it a quick clean out. And then I'm just going to put some grease inside of it. But you can see me just rubbing grease around the nylon brush inside. And then I'm going to put some grease around the actual piston itself, the damper. You can see me just swirling it around in there. That's the grease on the damper there, on the piston. And then just reinsert it. I'm going to do this to both dampers. And now I'm just going to use this syringe to squirt a bit of grease into the top half of the piston. You see there? And just prime that. Okay, it's raining, so I didn't get to film reassembling the dampers, but it's just reverse of when you saw me dismantle. So I've got it powered back up and back up to speed, and as you can see, it's less shaking now. Whereas before, this is what it looked like before. It was shaking violently. Before I greased the dampers, as you see there. And this is what it's like now. A lot smoother, less vibration. And just show you the dampers there. It's left hand damper. Just give you a close up. That's the right hand damper. Not moving around as much. So I'll just let that power down. Okay, so it's just a matter of reassembling the unit. Now that I'm satisfied with that, so I've just got to refit the back cover and the top cover. Just dismantle this, disconnect from the mains first. You can see me just put the back cover on. I'll just speed this section up because there's quite a few screws, and then I'm going to fit the top cover also. And just testing it there, and as you can see, it seems working fine. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.